Hi, Sarah here. Are you looking to make a circle overlay for your webcam? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to create your circle overlay for your webcam in Canva, free and quick. Don't worry if you've never created an overlay before. It's easy to create one in Canva. Let's get started. Let's go to canva.com. Once you're in canva.com, let's come here to search Canva and type overlay. Come down here to the suggested ones. Let's take the Twitch overlay. Click on that one. And let's come to create a blank overlay. And let's go to elements and get a circle. And let's click on the circle. Let's click on the circle. Come up here to colors. Click on that. Now let's go down here to black. Click on black. And we are going back to elements again to get another circle. Click on elements. Let's go to circle, pick the circle. Now let's click on colors again and come to white and click white. Let's make sure that both our circles align properly. Now that both our circles are aligned properly, let's name our overlay 144. Let's go to download. We want to download it with transparent background. Let's click on that one. If you don't have the pro version of Canva, you can be able to get it for free. You can be able to get the 1 month free trial. And then if you're a student, you can be able to get it for free. Or if you're working for a non-for-profit organization, you can also be able to get it for free. So if you're a student, get the pro version, is free for you. If you work for non-for-profit, it's free for you. And for all other people, just get the first month free trial and then see if you like it, and then you can be able to, get the paid version after that. Now let's click on download. Our overlay is already downloaded. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go to OBS. We are going to go to OBS because that's where we are going to be able to change our webcam into the circle webcam we wanted. So once we are in OBS, all we need to do is come down here and click on add and come here to video capture device, add your video capture device, say OK. Now you can pick whichever camera you have. I have EOS webcam utility, integrated webcam, OBS webcam, virtual webcam, and yeah, for this case, we are going to use my integrated webcam. Let's click on that one. And there it shows my integrated webcam. Then I'm going to say OK. We are going to turn this webcam into a circle. So let's click on filters. Once you click on filter, you can be able to edit your webcam. Like for instance, you can do some color correcting. Let's click on that and say OK. And you can be able to color correct your webcam. I'm not going to do that because all we want is a circle background. So let's go back down here and click on add. And let's add image mask / blend. Click on that and say OK. Make sure that the type is alpha mask color channel. And then on the path here, come to browser, You click on that, it will take you to where you saved your overlay. Now let's check on my download. Let's find my overlay 144. Here it is. So let's click on that overlay 144 and click on open. Once you open it, the circle is already there. We have the circle. All we need to do is we can click close and we have our circle. Or we can do a little bit of adjustment. It depends on where I was sitting and where the camera is. Let's see if we can adjust it. Now we can be able to move our circle to wherever we are going to put our circle when we are recording. I'm a little bit off in this. It depends on where you are sitting and where your camera is at. I think in this point now, we are okay. I'm all in the circle. So whichever camera you're using, you can just make sure that you are in a focus properly on the camera. Yeah, and that's how easy it is. We got our circle and we are ready to use our circle for our webcam. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you on the next one.